Yeah, some time ago I printed this body post for my Monster Beetle, but I noticed it doesn't have any holes here. So I bought this very peculiar hobby drill from Amazon. I'm going to make some holes now for the body pins. Ja, that went quite all right. Cool. Check out this crappy ass weather, but I'm out with the Monster Beetle a bit. It's quite fun on 3S. Super diff is doing its job. I tightened the slipper clutch a bit so it runs even better now.